Pumpkin spice is one of those flavors that I feel like you either love it or you hate it, but either way, it's something that's really synonymous with fall, especially here in the United States. And I think one of the things that makes pumpkin spice flavoring effective is really leaning into what it signals to a lot of people, which is the start of fall. So tying it in with the season, first of all, marketing the products and lean into that emotional appeal that pumpkin spice has to a lot of people, that, tying to memories of Halloween or Thanksgiving. The start to pumpkin spice and the phenomenon that we see now is actually thanks to Starbucks. Almost exactly 20 years ago, they launched the pumpkin spice latte in 2003. The pumpkin spice donut is probably my favorite product. A donut fresh out of the oven with a little bit of spice on it, that it goes really well with a lot of different things.